সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা। দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ডে অফ বেঙ্গলি ক্যালেন্ডার and we call Pohela Boishakh, and this is the great festival for the Bengalis person. And on this day, and we wear new clothes, especially men wear Punjabi, women wear sari, and they visit to temple and they pray to God. They try to start their life newly, and they forget their worry, they forget their failure. They just try to start their life newly, especially in the shop and businessmen. On this day, they open their new account and they invite their customer and offer sweet and new calendar. This is the great festival for the Bengalis person, and this is the light of festival, this is the color of festival. Especially on this day we clean our house and we organize with alpana in the various color, because it is the color of festival, light of festival. And I hope everyone will start their life newly. So God bless you. সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা।